Pagi guys, sekarang hari Sabtu. Jadi tadi jam 11 kurir datang. Kemarin tuh hari Jumat Yunus bikin paspor, cepet banget ya, di hari Sabtu udah diterima aja. Ini bentukannya kayak gini. Nanti kalau Yunus sudah pulang kerja kita unboxing. Nah pokoknya ini di bawah ada identitas gitu sama alamat, terus sama penerimanya siapa kayak gitu, nama penerimanya siapa, penerima paket ya. Kayak gini. Yunus pilihnya yang 1 tahun kalau nggak salah, sama ya tuh kayak di Indonesia ada chipnya. Oke, ditunggu nanti malam. Bye. Selamat malam. Sekarang Yunus sudah pulang kerja. Waktunya unboxing. But first, how to get a passport in Turkey?
I get passport first. I
Registration
online and paid money. Of course, so much, almost 6,000 lira.
for 1 year or
This is for 1 year. Yes.
1 year.
Yes, 1 year.
And then
And I give one biometric photo. After 2 days, come to me. Passport.
just 1 day
Yeah. in 2
before
days.
you coming Jumat. Right now Saturday.
No, I go there Thursday.
Tuesday ya?
Yes, and
Ah.
you come today.
Oh,
Saturday. Yes, 2 days.
okay.
Yes, my wife. Take this from the postman. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. I am just showing my ikamet to courier and then BT.
Yes. It's coming from this nüfus ve vatandaşlık işleri.
Oh.
I'm opening, unboxing.
But where you going to this for giving biometric photo?
Nüfus müdürlüğü in Türkiye. Nüfus müdürlüğü.
Sancaktepe?
It's Sancaktepe. Yes, you can try it different. Nüfus müdürlüğü. It's not different.
Simple ya. This
If you
package.
give money, it's very everything is simple.
Be careful guys.
Oh wow. Türkiye Cumhuriyeti.
Türkiye. Masya Allah.
This is Türkiye Cumhuriyeti pasaportu bak böyle.
Just show me. Up dong bebeğim. Evet.
This color like that in your country different color.
Green.
Green in your country.
You electronic ya.
Ne? Pasaport.
Bu chip this. Like Indonesia.
Türkiye Cumhuriyeti yazıyor. Türkiye Republic of Turkey.
Evet.
And this flower. This tulip. Lale. You know this is tulip.
Coba bak.
On this.
Yeah. Motif
Tulip.
tulip. Open. Why?
Wow.
Handsome?
First time. Wow. Yes, I am some with back.
Up dong, up. Oh, like that. Tamam. Two ya foto.
Photograph in here.
In Indonesia, just one photo inside.
Yunus Türk. Gender. Man, erkek.
This is Turkçe language.
First Türkçe and English bak together.
Two.
Kasım,
Tamam.
my birth time,
Tamam.
birth date. And my sign, imza. Signature.
So, make it passport in Turkey easy or hard?
No, very easy. But giving so much money. Expensive.
Oke, udah kayak gitu
And also
aja.
this photograph, this motifs, Topkapı Palace.
Oh,
Topkapı
yes.
Palace. This is Selimiye in Edirne.
Tamam.
Like that. For example, here other page is Bitlis. This is Bitlis city. Like that. So much pages. Yeah. Last. This is the last Ankara.
Ankara.
Finish.
Yes, tamam.
First time, inshallah, I will use this passport for going to
Going where?
Indonesia
Wait.
with my wife.
Okay, are you ready to explore Indonesia?
Yes, I want so much.
Don't miss your mother, ya?
No.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.